Best Kids Desks. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Ikea Last Children's Table. Ikea has launched durable and comprehensive desks for toddlers and kindergarten kids. Hence, you will get a feasibility and affordable product from this brand. The desk set is facilitated with chairs. Melissa and Doug Wooden Lift-Top Desk and Chair. This table set is for the 3 to 5 year age group. The table is facilitated with a lift-up top for storage, and your kids can keep their belongings with ease. ECR for Kids Bentwood Multipurpose Kids Table and Chair Set. This set of tables and chairs is made with certified hardwood. Your kids will be super easy and comfortable while sitting on this chair. The product is suitable for families with 2 young kids. Ikea Pahl Desk and Add-on Unit. When your kids need some spacious table to arrange books and study at the same station, you must buy Ikea to provide ease. The table is served with shelves and the chair is comfortable to sit on. The product is best for elementary school-going kids. Wayfair Harriet B. Gordy Children's Corner Desk. People who like to buy unique and stylish home essentials, they must go with Wayfair. The product can be placed in the corner and is the best space-saving option. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.